Hello, snowy friends. Today I will draw Bluey with a Christmas squirrel, its fluffy tail sparkling under winter lights. While the drawing slowly comes alive, I'll tell you their festive adventure. But before it begins, please like this video and subscribe my channel, so every Christmas wonder finds its way to you. Snow sparkled across the garden as Bluey bounded outside, her paws crunching into the frosty blanket. The air was chilly but filled with holiday cheer. Decorations twinkled from every corner, and the smell of pine wrapped around the yard like a hug. Near the big Christmas tree in the garden, Bluey noticed something moving. A tiny squirrel, with fur soft as chestnut and a tail puffed like cotton, hopped around carrying little red berries in its mouth. Bluey tilted her head. "Hey there, what are you doing?" The squirrel twitched its nose, dropped the berries into a neat pile, and squeaked cheerfully. "I'm decorating for Christmas too." Bluey's eyes widened. "You can talk?" The squirrel nodded proudly. "Of course. Christmas magic lets animals like me share our voices." Excited, Bluey wagged her tail and bounced closer. "Can I help?" Together, they gathered twigs, pine cones, and berries, placing them carefully around the base of the tree. The squirrel climbed high into the branches, adding tiny touches of sparkle with acorns painted silver by the frost. "Wow!" Bluey gasped, watching the little friend work so quickly. "You're amazing!" The squirrel flicked its tail proudly. "And you're a great helper." Soon the tree looked brighter than ever, shining with natural beauty. Then the squirrel hopped down and whispered, "But that's not all. Christmas is for dancing too." Bluey laughed. "Then let's dance." The squirrel spun in tiny circles, its tail swishing like a ribbon. Bluey twirled beside it, their movements sending snowflakes into the air like glitter. "Hop with me, Bluey," the squirrel called. Bluey hopped, bounced, and leapt, her laughter ringing across the snowy yard. The stars above seemed to flicker in rhythm, and the Christmas tree swayed gently as if clapping along. After their joyful dance, they both plopped into the snow, panting but smiling wide. Bluey reached out and patted the squirrel gently. "This is the best Christmas surprise." The squirrel nodded softly, its tiny eyes glowing with warmth. Christmas isn't about how big the decorations are, but about how much joy you put in your heart. And tonight, we filled the world with joy together. Bluey's chest felt warm, even in the cold night air. She hugged her fluffy friend carefully. "Then every Christmas, I'll remember this dance." The squirrel nuzzled her cheek, then scampered back to the tree, curling up between the branches like a little ornament. Bluey looked up at the glowing lights and whispered, "Merry Christmas, little friend." The snow drifted gently, wrapping the garden in peace, while Bluey's heart glowed brighter than ever. Close your eyes, let dreams take flight, snowflakes shimmer in the night. Bluey danced with love so true, Christmas joy now shines for you.